Hello friends, so today here we will discuss about some laxatives like Duflac. Okay, so Clemafene plus, Goodlax plus, these are the laxatives. But among all these laxative, definitely the first physician choice is Duflac one. Okay, तो Duflac fast work करता है और कोई addiction kind of इसका नहीं बनता है, and that's why it is also safe in lactating mothers. It is also safe in a diabetic also, and that's why the first physician choice is a Duflac syrup. Okay, तो लैक्सेटिव के लिए डुफ्लैक बहुत ही बेस्ट बोला गया है. एक्सपर्ट कॉन्स्टिपेशन रिलीफ करता है ये. Okay, you can see here there it soften the stool. Okay, you can see here it soften the stool, nourishes the good gut bacteria, reduces the constipation episodes. Okay, and definitely each 5 ml contain each 5 ml of lactulose contain or Duflac contain the lactulose like 3.335 ग्राम. ओके, डोसेस की अगर मैं बात करूँ डेफिनेटली यू कैन सी हियर अडल्ट में 15 to 45 ml, child under 7 to 14 year 15 ml, child under 1 to 6 year 5 to 10 ml, and infants under 1 year up to 5 ml. These are the doses of our Duflac syrup. Okay, so lactulose has a prebiotic effects. Lactulose is a source from milk. Okay, and the physician best choice among the variety of the laxative are the Duflac syrup. Okay, no worry, we will see the packs, and definitely we will see the color of this Duflac syrup also. Okay, तो Duflac lactulose containing हमारा ये particular syrup है. Okay, see here I have broken the seal, and definitely you can see here the colorless like a kind of colorless thick a kind of jelly like liquid. You can see here this is nothing but our Duflac. Okay, so I have broken the seal, and now you can see the liquid color. Okay, तो मीठा भी है और थोड़ा सा थिकी भी रहेगा, एंड यू कैन से कलरलेस है. और इसको लेते समय आपको डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वांटिटी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कॉन्स्टिपेशन यू हैव टू टेक द क्वांटिटी. ओके, एंड बहुत ही देर से अगर कॉन्स्टिपेशन है, आपको क्रॉनिक कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो गया है, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल नॉट वर्क. एक्यूट कॉन्स्टिपेशन में ये वर्क करता है. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग अबाउट दिस Duflac इज नथिंग बट इनिशियली 2 to 3 days it will not work, and for the working of this Duflac definitely it will take more than 3 days. Okay, in some person it will take 2 to 3 days for its working. Okay, तो यू कैन सी यर अडल्ट, जैसे आई सेड अडल्ट में 10 ml से स्टार्ट करना है, नहीं उसको हो रहा है यानी कि एक्यूट कॉन्स्टिपेशन उसको हुआ है, और यू कैन से उसकी जो कॉन्स्टिपेशन रिलीफ नहीं हो रही, डेफिनेटली यू विल इंक्रीज द डोज. ओके, एज सुन एज द कॉन्स्टिपेशन गेट रिलीफ, एज सुन एज द पेशेंट आर यू कैन से पेशेंट आर टेलिंग कि या इट इज़ यू कैन सी यर कि अभी स्टूल क्लियर हो रहा है, डेफिनेटली यू विल स्टार्ट टू डिक्रीज द डोज. ओके, तो दैट्स वाई. और इसका एक और क्राइटेरिया लेने से पहले, ओके, बेड टाइम इसको लेना है. आप इसको सुबह भी ले सकते हो, बेड टाइम ले लो, सुबह लो, वट एवर सो, बट वेन एवर यू आर टेकिंग दिस, ओके, either you mix in the water or after this you drink more and more water. Okay, तो 2 to 3 glass या फिर 1 to 2 glass water आपको लेना है, पानी लेना है आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस. ओके, या फिर आप डायरेक्टली 2 to 3 glass वाटर में यू मिक्स द सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ द Duflac. ओके, तो दिस इज नथिंग बट अवर Duflac सिरप. लैक्टोलिस इसके अंदर रहता है. ओके, एक्सपर्ट कॉन्स्टिपेशन रिलीफ करता है. तो वी विल सी द डिटेल ऑफ दिस इन फॉर द नेक्स्ट Duflac. तो लैक्टोलोज 3.335 ग्राम पर 5 ml ऑफ दिस Duflac इसके अंदर रहता है. पर 5 ml ऑफ Duflac कंटेन द 3.335 ग्राम ऑफ लैक्टोलोज. इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, तो व्हाट इज Duflac एंड what is it used for? So what is Duflac? Duflac is nothing but Duflac contain a laxative called as a lactulose. It make the stool softer and easier to pass by drawing water into the bowels. Okay, वो क्या करता है, as soon as you are taking the Duflac, definitely it will take more and more water from your intestine and it will make a softer stool. Okay, and it is not absorbed into your body. So what Duflac, and that's why it is used for the diabetes also. Okay, so what Duflac is used for? Duflac is used to treat the constipation. Okay, infrequent bowel movements, hard and dry stool. Normally piles वगैरह में भी इसको दिया जाता है. Okay, Duflac is used to treat the hepatic encephalopathy, a liver disease causing confusion, tremor and decreased level of consciousness. Okay, the hepatic encephalopathy can lead to a hepatic coma as well. So what you need to know before you take Duflac, do not take Duflac if you have allergic to lactulose. Okay, or you have a problem like galactosemia, or you have a blockage caused by anything else but normal constipation, gastrointestinal perforation or risk of perforation. Do not take these kind of circumstances. Okay, do not take Duflac if any one of the above apply to you, and if you are not sure, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking the Duflac syrup. Warning and precautionary measures you have to take during the Duflac. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking Duflac. If you are suffer from any medical condition or illnesses, like if you are suffering from unexplained tummy ache, okay, unexplained tummy ache, if you are unable to digest the milk sugar, okay, that is you are having a lactose intolerance. If you have a diabetes, you should not take Duflac. If you are suffer from galactose or fructose intolerance, total lactase deficiency, and glucose galactose malabsorption, or glucose galactose intolerance. Okay, so these are the condition where you will not take the Duflac syrup. If you have a diabetes and are treated for a hepatic encephalopathy, your dose of Duflac will be the higher. Okay, the high dose contain a large amount of sugar, that is a lactulose. Just as I said, each ml of Duflac contain the 3.335 gram of lactulose. Okay, and therefore your doctor may recommend that you need to adjust the dose of your antibiotic medicine. Okay, the chronic use for unadjusted doses, like exceeding 2 to 3 soft stool per day, or misuse, can lead to the diarrhea and disturbance of the electrolyte balance in your body. Okay, definitely, as the doses prescribed by your doctors or physician, definitely do like that only. Do not take too much as you can. Okay, otherwise the diarrhea or malabsorption syndrome you may notice. Okay, so if you are taking, if you take Duflac for several days and there is no improvement in your condition or your symptoms, they get worsened, definitely please contact your doctor. Okay, and one more thing, with children, they also can take in special circumstances. Your doctor may prescribe Duflac for a child, infant, or a baby. In these cases, your doctors will supervise the treatment carefully. Duflac should only be given to infants and smaller children if indicated, as it can influence the normal reflexes for passing the stools. Okay, so definitely you can give to the children, you can give to the infants, you can give to the neonates, but definitely again the same things, keep without physician guidance you should not give anyone. Okay, other medicine and Duflax, tell your doctors or pharmacists if you are taking. You have to inform your doctors which kind of medicine you are taking for this constipation or any other illnesses or any other comorbidities. You have to say the physician before taking any medicine. Okay, so taking Duflac with food and drink. Duflac can be taken with or without foods. There are no restriction on what you can eat or what you can drink. The pregnancy, breastfeeding and fertility are hampering or not, यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया, टॉक टू योर डॉक्टर और फार्मासिस्ट बिफोर टेकिंग दिस मेडिसिन. इफ़ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट, माइट बिकम प्रेग्नेंट, ओके, प्रेग्नेंट हो या फिर प्रेगनेंसी प्री प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड है और ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग है, तो Duflac कैन बी यूज ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड व्हेन ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग इफ नेसेसरी. ओके, so both are the you can say Duflac are the safe in both condition, pregnancy condition and breastfeeding condition. In both condition, Duflac syrup are safe syrup. Okay, so no effect on fertility does not hampered by this Duflac syrup. So driving and using machine, again the Duflac has no or negligible influences on your ability to drive safely or use medicine. It does not causes the unconscious, it does not causes the giddiness or you can say चक्कर वगैरह ये induce नहीं करता है. It does not crosses the blood-brain barrier, and that's why it does not hamper the brain system, okay, or nervous system, and that's why we can give the driving person, we can give the person who are using or the working on the machines. Okay, तो लाइक कोडिन वगैरह रहता है या फिर बहुत सारे कप सिरप है विच सप्रेसेस आवर द यू कैन से ब्रेन सेंटर्स. तो इन दैट क्राइटेरिया, इन दैट particular content, we are not giving the such drug to the driving person or who are working on the machine. Okay, so important information about some ingredients of Duflac. तो Duflac contains the sugar such as milk sugar, galactose रहता है इसके अंदर, fructose रहता है. If you have been told by your doctors that you have a intolerance to some sugars, contact your doctor before taking the medicine. Okay, the Duflac also contain the sulfite. How to take the Duflac? डेफिनेटली मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बहुत सारी वीडियोस में बताया है, डुफ्लैक कोई भी लैक्सेटिव आप ले रहे हो, टेक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर लोअर डोसेस एंड इसको हाई करते जाना है. एज सुन एज हाई डोसेस आपको एडजस्ट होने लगा, यानी कि कॉन्स्टिपेशन थोड़ा रिलीफ होने लगा, डेफिनेटली फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट डे ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल स्टार्ट टू जो डोज है आपका वो आपको स्टार्ट करना है. अभी आप जो जितना 15 ml रहेगा, यानी 30 ml अगर आपका फर्स्ट रिलीफ हुआ, डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल टेक अ 25 ml. ओके, तो कंटिन्यूसली आपको कम करते जाना है. टेक डुफ्लैक फ्रॉम स्पून और मेजरिंग कप. यू कैन मिक्स इट विद द फ्रूट जूस और वाटर. इट इज़ रिकमेंडेड दैट you drink plenty of fluids, approximately 6 to 8 glass throughout the day. Okay, during the constipation you have to take the more and more water. Again the same things, the diabetic or hypertension patient do not take a more and more water. Okay, otherwise there is a chances of vision loss. To swallow the dose immediately, do not keep it in your mouth, as the sugar content may lead to the tooth decay. Okay, and particularly if Duflac is taking for long period, you avoid the sugar containing of this Duflac into your mouth. Okay, directly you swallow the content into your esophagus. The Duflac takes 2 to 3 days to start working. There are a number of patients who are complaining it is not working on me. You change the syrup. Definitely Duflac is a safest syrup, and that's why it start to working after 2 to 3 days. Okay, in some person it start to working after 2 to 3 days. Okay, तो patient को बोलो just be a calm, it will work on your body as well. Okay, तो it will take 2 to 3 days for working, definitely it will work. Okay, तो फर्स्ट फिजिशियन चॉइस है डुफ्लैक्स सिरप, बिकॉज सेफ सिरप होता है. अदरवाइज क्रीमाफिन अगर मैं बात करूँ, गुडलैक्स प्लस की मैं बात करूँ, इट इंक्रीजेज द क्रिएटिनिन लेवल. ओके, तो सीकेडी की चांसेस, क्रिएटिनिन लेवल के चांसेस बहुत सारे इसमें हाई रहते हैं, एंड दैट्स द फर्स्ट फिजिशियन चॉइस इज द डुफ्लैक्स सिरप. ओके, तो आफ्टर दिस टाइम यू मे एबल टू रिड्यूस द डोज यू टेक अराउंड योर नीड्स. ओके, आप देख सकते हो एडल्ट एंड एडोलेसेंट्स 15 to 45 ml लेना है. अगर 1 to 3 सैचेट्स पर डे भी ले सकता है वो. ओके, एंड चिल्ड्रन 7 to 14 ईयर्स 15 ml लेना है. 1 to 6 ईयर 5 to 10 ml लेना है. एंड इन्फेंट्स अंडर 1 ईयर द यूजुअल डोज इज अप टू 5 ml डेली. ओके, तो यूज ऑफ लैक्सेटिव इन चिल्ड्रंस, इन्फेंट्स एंड बेबीज शुड बी एक्सेप्शनल and under the medical supervision, because it can influence the normal reflexes for passing the stools. Please do not give Duflac to children under 14 years before consulting your doctors for prescription and careful supervision. Okay, now what about the hepatic encephalopathy? Hepatic encephalopathy means a kind of एक बैक्टीरिया रहता है. ओके, एंड दैट्स वाई इट हैम्पर्स द हिपैटिक एंड एज वेल एज द ब्रेन लेवल. ओके, तो द यूजुअल स्टार्टिंग डोज इज 3 to 4 times a day of 30 to 45 ml. ओके, यूज इन चिल्ड्रन, लाइक नो इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द हिपैटिक एन्सेफेलोपैथी में चिल्ड्रंस में देना है या नहीं देना है, ऐसा इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मेंशन नहीं किया गया. इफ़ यू टेक मोर डुफ्लैक देन यू टेक मोर डुफ्लैक फ्रॉम योर, ये देखिए, if you are taking more Duflac, then you should stop taking Duflac and talk to your doctor or pharmacist. You may have a diarrhea or a loss of electrolytes and abdominal pain and abdominal cramps as well. Okay, if you forget to take Duflac, don't worry, just take the next dose at the usual time. Do not take a double dose to make for a forgotten dose. Okay, that you have to remember. If you start taking Duflac, you can definitely do not stop or change the treatment before talking to your doctor. If you have any further question, just you meet the your kind of physician. Okay, the possible side effect may notice if you are taking the Duflac. Definitely you can see here, like all medicines, the Duflac can causes the side effects, like you can see a diarrhea. The common one is the flatulence, nausea, vomiting and abdominal pain. These are the common symptoms you may notice during the initial phase of the Duflac. Okay, the uncommon is electrolyte imbalance. If you are taking proper guidance, definitely diarrhea and electrolyte imbalance नहीं होगा, but flatulence, nausea, vomiting and abdominal pain, these are the common symptoms may notice in the patient during the Duflac. Okay, तो flatulence may occur during the first few days of treatment. As a rule, if it disappears after a few days, when doses higher than instructed are used, abdominal pain and diarrhea may occur. In such cases, the doses should be decreased. Okay, if you are using the high doses for an extended period of time, you may experience an electrolyte imbalance due to diarrhea as well. Okay, the reporting side effects, if you get any side effects, talk to your doctor immediately. Okay, and you can see here these include any possible side effects not listed in the leaflets. Okay, तो जस्ट यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है हाउ टू स्टोर द डुफ्लैक. कीप दिस मेडिसिन आउट ऑफ द, यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है, डू नॉट यूज द डुफ्लैक आफ्टर द एक्सपायरी डेट that you are available. Any medicine you will not use as it exceeds the expiry date. Okay, do not store above 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and do not refrigerate or freeze the Duflax syrup. Okay, the medicine should not be disposed of via wastewater or household waste. Ask your pharmacist how to dispose of medicine no longer required. Okay, the content of the pack and other information. What Duflac contain, मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया इसमें शुगर कंटेनिंग कंटेंट रहता है. each 5 ml contain the 3.335 gram of lactulose. Okay, and what Duflac look like and content of the pack. Duflac is a clear viscous liquid, colorless to brownish yellow liquid. Duflac is available in 15 ml sachets and in plastic bottles containing 200, 300 and 500 ml and 1000 ml as well. Okay, सो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट अवर डुफ्लैक. डुफ्लैक के साइड इफेक्ट्स, डुफ्लैक कैसे वर्क करेगा, डुफ्लैक कब वर्क करेगा एंड किसको डुफ्लैक नहीं लेना है. ओके, हु शुड स्टॉप द डुफ्लैक. ओके, एंड व्हेन शुड यू स्टॉप द डुफ्लैक, and ultimately how it works in your body. Okay, it withdraw the water more and more, it withdraw the water from the intestine and it make the softened stool, and in that way it is helping in the acute constipation, not in the chronic constipation, that you have to remember. Okay, for the chronic constipation there is other chances, ulcerative colitis, Crohn disease are there. Okay, so definitely colonoscopy may needed, you can say gastroendoscopy may needed to rule out your chronic constipation. Okay, so that is all about for our important points that is related to our Duflac. Okay, but you are not